All right, so I got my little garage helper here with me today, and recently picked up this X3M, and it's a non-comp model. I was okay with sacrificing maybe 20 to 40 all-wheel horsepower at the end of the day. I'm planning on modding it. The suspension is definitely softer than one of the comp models, because I've test driven one of those before, and I always told people it felt like a C5 Corvette in an SUV body. But I also have an X3 M40i. I'm in the process of changing over some parts from that, including my MHD FlexFuel kit for the X3s. It's compatible for both the B58 and the S58. I just want to kind of document like a little thing on this where it's just like, I want to show people that you don't have to spend a lot of money to buy a BMW. That's like a high performing car, and you don't have to spend a lot of money on it. I bought the MHD super license for this. I already had the Wi-Fi adapter for the OBD port, and then my helper helped me out with was each of these needs a flat tip. Once you loosen it up enough, they'll pop off real easily. And there's one on this side. Yep, keep going. Yep, put your bit back in. It doesn't like to hold it in there, so just put it back in there and try to make sure it's hold it in there. Then put it back on the screw. Tip it up, 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 other way. Yep. Yep, like that. Keep going. Use both hands if you have to.
I can't do it with one hand.
Oh yeah? You got it out? Good job, dude. Don't hit me with the screw.
It's dusty.
Okay, put it on the side. So we're gonna keep one screw on each side exactly where we took it out at, okay? All right, do this one.
Put this one back in. Let's try.
All right, go ahead.
Oh, that's the wrong one.
Yep, that's the wrong way. Keep it straight up, otherwise it's gonna fall off of it.
Which way?
This way.
This way?
Turn it to the left. Nope, this way. What? That's left. And the reason why is left is loose and right is tight. So sometimes people say lefty loosey, righty tighty. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And that's how they remember which way to go. You're almost done with that. Keep your hand on it. Oh, yep. Hey, there we go. All right, let's see. This looks like it's gonna pop off easy.
Yeah.
All right. All right, pull that last filter out. Hey, there you go. All right, so we're gonna put that one back. Is that the way that it goes? All right, I dropped my piece in.
I do it. I can't do it the second one.
All right, dude. All right, so now it's time to put the top back on, and then we'll put it back in the engine after we get done with the fueling.
Yeah.